Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to show you our heavy filler, the best filler you can use to repair damaged leather to create durable, long-lasting repairs like this. Our heavy filler is a safe to use water-based product designed to be used on any type of leather to fill out damaged areas or any areas of leather which are missing. It's a thick paste filler which is extremely flexible and suitable for high use areas. Take this filled hole for example. The strength of this filler is unbelievable. It will not crack out from the edges even when forced. In real life, leather doesn't come under this sort of stress, yet it remains soft and flexible enough to move naturally with the leather, giving you the confidence that a repair with our products will not only last long but feel good. Simply apply with a palette knife, making sure to clean up any excess filler on the surface of the leather as you go, as this could just fill out the grain around the area. The filler is also sandable when dry, so it can be smoothed flush to the leather if you want to overfill it and then sand it back. After you have filled out the damage, you may want to consider regraining the area if needed. Check out our other products for that. Then you will need to apply leather colourant over the top of the filler to blend in the repair. The filler is white in colour as standard, but we can supply it in any other colour you want. The benefit of this limits the amount of colourant needed to colour over the filler. So that was our heavy filler. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.